Welcome to part 2, operations with functions. I'm just going to do page 272, number 3 with you. I'm going to give you 2 more to practice afterwards. Actually, it comes from the previous topic with multiplication and division. But I just want to show you that even though number 3 looks really complicated, it's not. You got to read the whole problem. It tells you that f of x equals 8x, g of x equals 2x to the 5/6. And they say they want to know f plus g of x, they want to know f minus g of x, they want to know f times g of x, f divided by g of x, when x is 5. So really all we're doing is just going straight to plugging in 5. So let me first add, and you'll see that there's not much to add. These are the same bases, but they don't have the same exponents, so they're not like terms. And there's nothing else I can do but plug in 5. So 8 times 5 is 40. And if you don't have a graphing calculator, like I don't because it's still at school, you're going to have to leave it like that. So you can't, of course, and you're going to have a graphing calculator. So go ahead and plug in 40 plus 2 times 5 to the 5/6. When you plug in 5/6 on the calculator, make sure you put parentheses around it or else you're going to get the wrong number. And you can go ahead and check your answer in the back of the book. Likewise, you're going to do the exact same thing with this one. You're going to type in 40 because we have 8 times 5 minus 2 times 5 to the 5/6. And again, when you type in your exponent, don't forget your parentheses. All right? It says round to 2 decimal places, so go ahead. I would do the math for you, but I'm trusting that you're going to use your calculator and that you can use your calculator. So now is the time to practice. Answers are in the back of the book. Similarly, you could maybe simplify this. We want to multiply the two things together. So really, this is up to you. Since I don't have a graphing calculator, I am actually going to go simplify it. But you can go straight to plugging in 5 and multiplying the two things together, not forgetting your parentheses around the exponent. Wonder how many times I'm going to say that in this video and how many times we're going to have students making that mistake. So let's see, we're multiplying the same base, so I can add them. This is 1, so I'm going to write 6/6. So I really have 8 times 2, x to the 11 over 6/6 is 6/6 plus 5/6 is 11/6. And so this is what I would plug into the calculator when I substitute 5 in. All right? Likewise, let's see what we can get for this one. 8x divided by 2x to the 5/6. I'm subtracting my bases. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 6/6 minus... Sorry, I'm dividing my bases, so 6/6 minus 5/6 is 1/6, and we're just going to plug in x. Don't forget your parentheses around the exponent, okay? Now that you've copied these down, paused, rewound if you need to, it really is just plugging in and practicing with the calculator, especially those parentheses. Go ahead and go to 273, try numbers 7 and 9, and then we're going to do more practice, especially some word problems in class.